सर्वेषां स्वागतं। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य रविवासरे अस्माकं कक्ष्या प्रायः 8विंशतितम कक्ष्या इति मन्ये। तो अद्य 8मः पाठः। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं करोमि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ओम तत्सत्। हरि ओम। अस्तु, अष्टमपाठे किमस्ति इति पश्यामः। यथा पूर्वम् अत्रापि उक्तिः वृत्तेन हि भवत्यार्यो न धनेन न विद्यया। वृत्तेन हि भवत्यार्यो न धनेन न विद्यया। वृत्तेन हि भवति आर्यः न धनेन न विद्यया। यः कोऽपि जनः धनेन आर्यः न भवति अथवा विद्यया आर्यः न भवति। वृत्तेन हि जनः आर्यः भवितुं शक्यते अथवा भवति इति। किमेतत्? धनं तु जानीमः, विद्या तु जानीमः, वृत्तिः इति किम् इति प्रायः अस्माकं प्रश्नः स्यात्। तत्र वृत्तिः इत्युक्ते जीविका, प्रवर्तनं, व्यापारः इत्यादि पर्यायशब्दान् स्वीकृत्य ज्ञातुं शक्नुमः। अर्थात् अस्मिन् लोके अस्माकं प्रवृत्तिः इति प्रायः सर्वेषां मनसि अस्ति। वृत्तिः इति न श्रुतपूर्वं स्यात्, परन्तु प्रवृत्तिः इति मैनरिजम, behavior, existence, etc. such things. Okay, how we live with the environment around us, including people and nature. Okay, so that is vritti. It can be applied in different contexts to different things. For example, chitta vritti in yoga means mental thoughts, things like that. Okay, so here general vritti is how we are in the world, at least in the context of this sukti. So janah dhanena aryah na bhavati. So this is more or less defining what is this arya, what is the dharma of being an arya. Okay, due to the usurping of this term by the Nazis, it has become a kind of a word that is shunned by the West because of its their anti-Jew stance and all the pogroms they had for the Jews. But the original definition of this word is very holy and nice, very simple, holy and nice. Okay, that's why even today we actually address each other respectfully as Arya like that. Doesn't mean any race connotation and nonsenses like that. Nothing, especially if you see the Subhashitas, you will reject all that very quickly. So, Janaha Danena Aryaha na bhavati. So, because somebody is having money, from having that money, due to money, he won't become a Arya. Okay. Unfortunately, we know the world doesn't behave like that. The one with money is the Tuddiddavane Doddappa, like we say in Kannada. the guy with money is the big father, like that. But that is, let us leave aside the stupidities of life. Vidyaya Aryaha Nabhavati. Okay. Just from bookish knowledge. Let me translate here Vidya as bookish knowledge. Okay. So we have to be very contextual. We cannot put any Vidya down as Anaryatvam, but bookish knowledge. Okay, Aryaha Nabhavati. Vrittena hi janaha Aryaha bhavati. So by his behavior and manner of living, indeed, how he enacts the how he uses the money, how he uses the knowledge, that only will define Aryatva. Saha Aryaha bhavati. Beautiful. So Aryaha paryaya shabdaha kulinah, sabhyah, sajjanah, sadhu ityadi स्वीकर्तुं शक्नुमः। अत्र पुल्लिङ्गे सूचितमस्ति, एतस्य सर्वेषु लिङ्गेषु अध्याहरणम् अस्माभिः कर्तव्यम्। आर्या इत्यपि। अस्तु, अत्र आर्यः इत्यस्य विषये अन्यदेकं मया अन्वेष्टं, तदत्र स्थापयामि इति चिन्तयित्वा स्थापितमस्ति मया। अत्र एतस्य सम्पूर्णभागः इति न, किमपि अन्यदेतत् शृणुमः किमस्ति इति। कर्तव्यम् आचरन् कामम् अकर्तव्यम् अनाचरन् यः तिष्ठति प्राकृताचारे स तु आर्यः इति स्मृतः। कर्तव्यम् आचरन्, what should be done. So what should be done according to the dharmic practices, the natural dharma. Okay, not any mazhab business, natural dharma. Kartavyam acharan. So enacting and living the duties as defined or ordained by nature. Kamam akartavyam anacharan. Kamam has to be translated here as selfish desires. Okay, so selfish desires and what should not be done. Okay, anacharan, without manifesting those things in reality. Yaha tishtati, yaha is implicit here. Yaha tishtati, one who stands so. Prakrita achare, in the act of natural behavior, humane behavior. That's how we can take this. Okay. Sahatu, that fellow indeed, Aryaha iti smritaha, is remembered as an Arya. Okay. So well past his even real life, he is remembered as an Arya. So beautiful. Kartavyam acharan kamam akartavyam anacharan tishtati prakrtacharye achare sato Arya iti smritaha. Astu. वृत्तेन हि भवत्यार्यो न धनेन न विद्यया। कृदन्तः, यथा अस्माभिः पूर्वं शानच् प्रत्ययस्य प्राथमिकस्तरे किञ्चित् ज्ञानं लब्धम्, इदानीं तस्य एव शानच् प्रत्यययोगस्य अन्येषु विभक्तिषु ज्ञानं प्राप्नुमः अद्य। तु अत्र केचन उदाहरणवाक्यानि दर्शयित्वा तदनन्तरम् अग्रे अभ्यासः एवं सर्वं भवति। In the previous lesson, you got familiar with the nominative forms of Shanach Pratyayanta words. Okay, what is Shanach? As you know, for Atmanepadi Dhatu forms. Okay, not just Atmanepadi Dhatus, for Atmanepadi Dhatu forms. Okay, slight extension beyond just Atmanepaditva of a Dhatu. Okay, so Atmanepadi Dhatu forms. Shanach Pratyayanta is used to indicate the continuity of that action along with another action. Okay, continuity of this action along with another action. The kala of this continuity can be in the past, present, or future. In this lesson, you will learn all other vibhakti forms. Another point is Shanach is a corollary for Atmanepadi dhatu forms vis-a-vis the Shatru pratyaya we learned for Parasmaipadi dhatu forms. Okay, all right. It so happens that Parasmaipadi dhatu forms are also only for Parasmaipadi dhatus or Ubhayapadi dhatus used in the Parasmaipadi form. Okay. Naradaha Vandamanam Dhruvakumaram Uthapya Uktavan. Naradaha Karta Vandamanam Dhruvakumaram कर्मपद ध्रुवकुमारः एव कर्म अत्र तु ध्रुवकुमारम् इति द्वितीया विभक्तौ वन्दमानं ध्रुवकुमारम् इति तत्र विशेषणं तस्य क्रियायाः विषये विशेषणरूपेण स्थापितमस्ति. वन्दमानं ध्रुवकुमारं, the fellow by the name Dhruvakumara, of course not some ordinary fellow, as you know these are all Puranic stories, so specific stories are there, but anyway we'll just for now accept this as normal names. The one who was praying, the Dhruvakumara who was praying as an object of this sentence, Uthapya Lyabanta. Okay, so having woken him up, I mean woken in the sense not from sleep, from his prayer. Okay, lifting him out of his prayer status. Uktavan, something he told. Kim uktavan agre prayah agamishyati. Kimapi uktavan. Kim uktavan iti वचनस्य कर्म नास्ति अत्र. किमपि उक्तवान्. कर्म न सूचितम् इति कर्म नास्ति इति न भवति. नारदः वन्दमानं ध्रुवकुमारम् उत्थाप्य उक्तवान्. अत्र किम् अभवत्? शाणच् प्रत्ययस्य द्वितीया विभक्तौ योगः. वन्दमानः ध्रुवकुमारः इति प्रथमायां, वन्दमानं ध्रुवकुमारम् इति द्वितीयायाम्. एवमेव दशरथः वर्धमानान् बालान् दृष्ट्वा हृष्टवान्. बहुवचने अस्ति अत्र वर्धमानान् बालान्. सो दशरथस्य चत्वारः पुत्राः. यदा ते वर्धमानाः आसन् तदा दशरथः वर्धमानान् बालान् दृष्ट्वा, पुत्रान् दृष्ट्वा हृष्टवान्, हर्षं प्राप्तवान्. अस्तु, तत्र किमस्ति? क्रियायोगः त्रिषु पदेषु अस्ति. वन्दमानम् इत्यत्र शाणजन्तक्रियायोगः, उत्थाप्य इत्यत्र ल्यबन्तक्रियायोगः, उक्तवान् इत्यत्र क्तवतु कृदन्तयोगेन तृतीय क्रियापदः. क्रियापदम् इति न वक्तुं शक्नुमः, क्रियायोगः इति वदामि. अत्र नामपदमेव एतदपि. चतुर्थं किम् अस्ति तत्र न उक्तम् अस्ति. नारदः वन्दमानं ध्रुवकुमारम् उत्थाप्य उक्तवान् आसीत्, उक्तवान् भवति, किमपि तत्र स्थापनीयम्. एवमेव अत्रापि. There is not a single क्षम्यताम्, not a single thing word here. All of them are sup words. So we must imagine a thing word to complete it. Okay, though there are three kriyas, there is no thing. So there is one saying, popular saying in Sanskritam, a vakyam is made with one thing. So a thing cannot be absent. भाषमाणेन राजकीयपुरुषेण बहु प्रलपितम्. भाषमाणेन राजकीयपुरुषेण. सो राजकीयपुरुषः इति समस्तपदं. तु तेन राजकीयपुरुषेण, कीदृशेन राजकीयपुरुषेण? भाषमाणेन, the one who was speaking, by the one who was speaking by the Rajakiya Purusha, Bahu Pralapitam, a lot of blah blah was told. Pralapana is that, so he spoke a lot. Generally, it is used in the sense of not much meaningful speech when somebody renders. That's the sense. Or we also use it in the sense of when somebody is crying and giving up his dukkha, that is also called pralapa. Anyway, karyam kurvanaihi sarvairapi prayah phalam labhyate eva. Kurvanaihi sarvaihi. So karana karakat bahuvachana. Kurvanaihi sarvaihi. By everyone who was doing the work. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is the so-called everybody who does work will get the phala, good or bad, depending on the nature of the work. Okay. Dhanam kamayamanaya kripanaya anyat kimapi na rochate. For, okay, so this is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. For the kripana. Kripana here means the one who is one who is worthy of kripa. Okay, that means a beggar in this sense. Okay, so dhanam kamayamanaya kripanaya, for the beggar who was desiring money. So desiring beggar is kamayamanaya, for the kamayamanaya kripanaya chaturthi. Okay, dana karya, right? So chaturthi. Anyat kimapi na rochate, nothing else is um, liked by him. Okay, all right. So if you remember, the ruch dhatu induces the chaturthi also. Okay, though there is no explicit dana kriya, the eventual desire is for a dana. So the ruch dhatu induces the fourth case, huh? For the person who is desiring. Anyway, याचमानेभ्यः भिक्षुकेभ्यः प्रायः सर्वे कुप्यन्ति. So याचमानेभ्यः भिक्षुकेभ्यः सर्वे कुप्यन्ति. This is another dhatu. It is inducing chaturthi vibhakti, right? So Ravanaya Ramah kupyati, something like that. Some examples like that we had studied. Huh? So that same thing, but it's in bahuvachana here. Yachamanebhyah bhikshukebhyah. Huh? For the reason of, you can put in brackets, for the reason of the beggars who were begging is yachamanebhyah. Prayah, perhaps, survey, everyone will get angry like that. I mean, upon them is the sense, but here is chaturthi is directed. Kinchit spandamanaadapi vrikshat phalani patitani. Kinchit, a little bit. Spandamanaadapi. So spandamanat vrikshat. Api is attached itself to that in a sandhi, but you can separate it out as spandamanat vrikshat. We can put the api after vriksha also, but here spandamanadapi, api highlight accents the fact that despite shaking, like that. Okay. Oh, kinchit is the api. Okay, kinchit is accented by the api in that sense. Okay, even the little shaking from the tree, fruits fell like that. Okay, I mean they were so weakly attached. That sense is given by that api. So not vrikshadapi won't give that thing. Okay, you can put the api more explicitly near kinchit to give even better accent. Kinchidapi spandamanat vrikshat. थोड़ा सा भी like that. थोड़ा सा भी should go with the api. Huh? थोड़ा सा भी is exactly किंचित अपि. ठीक है. But the focus here is because the patana kriya of the pala is from a fixed object like vriksha, vrikshat. We know the reason for panchami there. So the shatranta, shana janta also takes the panchami there. Okay. Spandate is atmanepadi. So yachate, kamayate, kurute, bhashate, vardhate, vandate. So everywhere you can look at the dhatu and immediately realize atmanepadi, atmanepadi, atmanepadi like that. Okay. Another thing we should kind of keep noticing. Okay. किंचित we finished this. गुहासु वर्तमानेभ्यः व्याघ्रेभ्यः मृगाः भीताः. So again the bhaya induces here panchami in this case, because vyagra, many vyagras, there is a bahuvachana form of panchami. So vyagrat bhitihi, like that. If you remember the basic vyagrat bhiti, here vyagrebhyah. So vyagrebhyah vartamanebyah. Kutra vartamanebyah, vartamana is to be, right? So गृहासु वर्तमानेभ्यः व्याघ्रेभ्यः. In the guhasu, Kshamyatam, I don't know why I'm saying grihasu, guhasu. In the guhas, the being present those by those tigers, okay, or you can say from those tigers, the deer, okay, you can take it as deer or other animals like that, but generally it is deer. Deers are scared like that. Bhashanam were scared. Pitaha were scared. Okay, in the sense. But of course, were or are is directed by what will come next. Okay. Bitaha santi, then it is are scared. Bitaha asan, then it is were scared. Just because bitaha is a bhutakridanta doesn't direct the active this thing, because bitaha becomes a attachment to mrugaha in a larger sense for the kta. Okay. All right. भाषणम् आरभमाणस्य उपन्यासकस्य अभिमुखं सर्वे स्वमुखं परिवर्तितवन्तः. भाषमाणं भाषणं क्षम्यतां भाषमाणं would be another. भाषणम् आरभ्यमाणस्य, so आरभ्यमाणः आरभमाणः, I don't know why I said yeah. आरभमाणः आरभमाणस्य षष्ठी एकवचन of आरभमाण. But natva is there due to repa here. So arbhamanasya upanyasakasya abhimukam sarve swamukham parivartitavantah. In front of the, see, abhimukam, I start off in English with abhimukam. In front of the speaker, who was beginning his speech. That's how we translate. Okay. So everyone, their own face, they turned. Okay, that means before he started his speech, they were all chit-chatting, facing in some different random directions as they talked. When he started speaking, hopefully he was a powerful speaker, everyone turned their face towards him. Abhimukam gives the sense of they faced him. Okay, it doesn't mean they turned it away. You must read the sense of abhimukam there. Okay, they faced him, they turned their face towards him. That's what it's trying to say. Anyway, arabhamanasya upanyasakasya shashti ekavachana form. प्रयतमानानां कार्यसिद्धिः अवश्यं भवति एव. प्रयतमानानां कार्यसिद्धिः. So here there is no other subject indicated. So of the people who try or trying, sorry, current continuous everything. So of the people who are trying, prayatamananam, shashti bahuvachana, karya siddhihi, the result of the action, avashyam bhavati eva, definitely will happen. Earlier also we saw some phala thing there. Okay, so that kind of thing, bhavati eva. So prayatamanasya prayatamanyoho prayatamananam. Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam. So Akaranta Pullinga form, very easy. Similarly in Strilinga, Akaranta Strilinga forms, like so Rama and Sita will help us with Shanach. And similarly for Napumsakalinga, only Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti will be like Phala Shabda or something. After that it's like Rama. Okay, even Phala Shabda follows Rama. So fairly easy. Shanach to decline is fairly straightforward. Okay. Devam sevamane bhakte shantihi vartate. So saptami. So if you remember, something exists in a location. So the location here of the shanta bhava, this is a bhava, a bhakti or a bhava or something, resides in a person. In which person? Devam sevamane bhakte. Okay, this is the karma for the sevakriya. Devam sevamane bhakte. In the bhakta who is doing the seva. In for both of them in Sanskritam. Shantihi vartate. There is a shanta bhava. Okay, so it doesn't mean some physical thing has to exist. Even a bhava like shanti existing in a person commands the saptami vibhakti. So kala, physical location, and a psychological location, if I can use that phrase in English. Okay. Adhiyaneshu chatreshu shraddha bhavedeva. Adhiyaneshu chatreshu. Um, in the students who are studying, adhiyaneshu. Saptami because of in the students, chatreshu. So adhiyanaha chatraha, adhiyaneshu chatreshu. Shraddha bhavedeva. There will be intense focus indeed. Okay. Somebody is stating the obvious. इतस्ततः कंपमानां रज्जुं दृष्ट्वा सः सर्पः इति भ्रान्तिं प्राप्तवान्. इतस्ततः, इतः ततः इतस्ततः, फ्रॉम हियर देयर, हितर तितर, same in English. Hitar titar, what they, I don't know how they pronounce it. Hidar titar maybe. Hidar titar, kampamanam rajjum. So the shaking rope. Okay, so the shaking rope. So dvitiya ekavachana rajjum drishtva. For the darshana kriya it is the karma. Okay, rajjum drishtva saha sarpaha, saha rajjuhu eva sarpaha, not saha is a fellow, saha rajjuhu eva sarpaha, saha sarpaha iti. So भ्रान्तिं प्राप्तवान्. कः प्राप्तवान् न सूचितमस्ति. यः कोऽपि जनः प्राप्तवान्, पुरुषः इति ज्ञायते, तावदेव एकमेव आसीत् पुरुषः इति ज्ञायते. भ्रान्तिं प्राप्तवान् प्रधानक्रिया इति वक्तुं शक्नुमः. प्राप्तवान् आसीत् इति किमपि. अस्तु, कंपमानां रज्जुं, पुनः द्वितीय एकवचन प्रयोगः. एवमेव इतोपि वाक्यानि इदानीम् अहं झटिति झटिति पठामि. भवद्भिरेव विभक्ति ज्ञानं प्राप्तुं शक्नुवन्ति. अत्र सूचितमस्ति मया. भजमानाः पौत्रीः दृष्ट्वा पितामही सन्तुष्टा. स्त्रीलिङ्गयोग. इदानीम् एतावत्पर्यन्तं पुल्लिङ्गे एव आसीत् इति मन्ये. अहमपि न तत्र तथा न, आम् पुल्लिङ्गे एव आसीत्. इदानीं स्त्रीलिङ्गप्रयोगाः सन्ति. तो जानी किञ्चित् पठामः सम्यक्. भजमानाः पौत्रीः, सी दिस् इस् नदीः टाइप्स. ओके, सो बहुवचन Dvitiya is having that form. Bhajamanaha pautrihi. So the granddaughters who were praying or doing bhajana, looking at them, drishtva pitamahi santushta. The grandmother became a happy lady. Badhamanaya shirovedanaya mama bhagini aswastha. So tritiya, the instrument of causing aswastya is the shirovedana. So because the shirovedana is the instrument of causing that, so then due to that, like that. Okay. So as you know, Ramena, here it is in Sitaya. So same way, Bhadamanaya, Shirovedanaya, both are Akaranta Strilinga forms. Bhagini Aswasta. भिक्षमाणाभिः भिक्षुकीभिः सन्तोषः अनुभूतः किम्? Rhetorical. So by the bhikshukis who were doing bhiksha kriya, that is why bhikshamana santoshah anubhutah kim, was happiness obtained because somebody may have given a lot of bhiksha. Okay, visheshena alochamanayai लेखिकायै प्रशस्तिः प्रदत्ता. चतुर्थी सीतायै, रामाय सीतायै इति परिवर्तनं भवति स्त्रीलिङ्गे किल, तथैव अत्रापि यै इति. विशेषेण आलोचमानायै लेखिकायै प्रशस्तिः प्रदत्ता. स्पेशली by the authoress who was specially thinking, the award was given. Prashasti is also Strilinga, so the kta anta also is in Stri. Pradatta iti. So just because you notice Prashasti, don't assume it to be Pullinga. Sometimes these ihi forms have Stritva in them, you have to look out for that. Okay. Vikrinanabhyah शिक्षार्थिनीभ्यः पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्तु. So this is a lot. So स्वीकरोतु, स्वीकुर्वन्तु. May it be received. The book may it be received. By whom? Okay. शिक्षार्थिनीभ्यः. Oh, okay. This is in Panchami. Okay. So here the teacher is telling the, let us say, the class leader to collect the see, स्वीक्रीणानाभ्यः शिक्षार्थिनीभ्यः पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्तु. Receive the book from the selling. I don't know how How I can conclude this? This is a little confusion
Take
because
the
Shiksharthi and Vikrina. Vikrina is a seller and Shiksharthi is usually a buyer. Yes, Mahodaya?
take the books to the person who is selling.
No. But here Vikrinanabhya is a qualifier to Shiksharthinibhya, right?
Those who are selling.
So there is no other prasakti of another guy coming. This is about Shiksharthini only. Shiksharthinibhya bahuvachana, many Shiksharthinis. A Shiksharthini means one who is desirous of learning. Okay.
Or it can be a trainee.
The girls who are desirous of learning. From the girls who are desirous of learning and who are also selling, very funny, pustakam svikurvantu, receive the book. It's a funny statement. I don't want to, I don't know why in Loka we will say this kind of thing, but Panchami is the interpretation. From them, receive the book, like that. Okay. Why they are selling?
Mahodaya?
That is the struggle.
Mahodaya, it can be trainees also, na? Shiksharthi can be trainee in English. Who are selling.
Why Vikrinanabhya is the problem for me.
A salesman.
I'm trying to think what social context they are selling something.
Okay.
The book, selling the book. That's all.
But it is probably the old books which people are selling, the previous or something. I'm tell because I am facing the same.
Okay, I think that's one context. You're right.
One more I would like to add, Mahodaya. The schools actually arrange some charity programs where all the students do the selling on, and they collect the money from the visitors, parents. They call upon us and they hand over the money to the respective institutions.
The problem is I have never seen an activity where they sell books. That's all.
Yeah, we have paid and we have taken the books from the school students. They do it for charity. They say it will cost less. I don't know. We raise funds for some purpose actually.
Okay. Anyway, I got put off because I couldn't combine selling with a student, so that's why I got put off.
Yeah, it's not what I meant. It's not direct selling. They are doing it for a charity purpose.
Actually, I should remember one more thing. Here it is Vikrayana. So maybe I should be a little cautious here. It's not, see, Vikrayana. Actually, it is selling only. Vikrayana means selling only. Krayana means buying. So Vikrayana means
it is from those who are selling only, Mahodaya.
Number 13.
In the bottom of the page.
Here it is, number 13. From those who are selling. From those ladies who are selling. Yeah. Fine. We will take it. Okay. Yeah. Uddayamanayaha Shenyaha Shukashavakaha Atyantam Beetaha. So Uddayamanayaha Shenyaha. So from this fellow. Okay. Uddayamanyaha Shenyaha Asmakam Shukashavakaha, baby parrot. So beautiful it is. Shukashavakaha Atyantam Beetaha. Very, very afraid. Okay. Shenyaha Karanat. We can take in the sense of Karanat, but Panchami. Due to that Shenya, like that. Okay. Uddayamanayaha Shenyaha Karanat. Shukashavakaha Atyantam Beetaha. Spardhamanabhyah Shiksharthinibhyah Prashastih Diyatam. So this is the director of the school telling to the Shiksharthinis, to the girl students, okay, who are competing, okay, give the Prashasti. So give. So it is Chaturthi. The Chaturthi came, then Panchami came, then Chaturthi came. So little cautious we have to be here. Okay, to interpret the direction of the Vibhakti. Okay. Ravanam eva आशंकमानायाः सीतायाः मनसि हनुमतः दर्शनात् भीतिः उत्पन्ना. Okay, so this is षष्ठी एकवचन हनुमतः, हनुमान शब्दस्य हनुमतः इति षष्ट्याम्. So रावणम् एव आशंकमानायाः सीतायाः. Ravana himself doubting Sita, by that Sita. Okay, of the Sita, sorry, Shashti, of that Sita. So of the Sita who was doubting Ravana himself in her manas. So that is why of Sita's in mind, Saptami here, manasi. Sita's in the mind, Sita's mind. So in the Sita's mind. In what type of Sita's mind? Doubting Sita's mind. Doubting whom? Ravana himself, doubting Ravana himself. In the mind of Sita, who was doubting Ravana himself, of Sita is Sitayaha. Hanumatah darshanat bhitihi utpanna. By Hanuman's visit and sight, scare got generated. Because this Ravana is capable of what kind of dress she is worried. So whether this is another Maya of the Rakshasas. Okay. हाँ, वेपमानानां युवतीनां बान्धवाः बान्धवाः not बान्धवाः बान्धवाः तत्र आगताः. So वेपमानानां युवतीनां बान्धवाः, the relatives of the young ladies who were sweating due to some scare or something like that. That sense you can take. Tatra agataha, they came. The situation nowadays in many warring areas. Skidyamanayam vruddayam nutanah abhilashah utpannah. Skidyamanayam vruddayam. See, abhilashah, another bhava, right? So that is directing the saptami in the person in whom that abhilasha is generated. So vruddhayam, in the old lady. Kidyamanayam vruddayam. So in the old lady who was lamenting, something like that. Okay. Nutanah abhilashah utpannaha. New desire got generated. Abhilashaha is a pullinga, so utpannaha is in pullinga, unrelated to the karta. Okay. This is a kta qualifying abhilashaha. Okay.
Maybe they were all with Vriddha Kumaris.
No. That is earlier sentence, Yuvati. This is Vriddha is another single lady.
No, I'm just connecting it with the Vriddha Kumari Nyaya.
Okay. Vriddha Kumari Nyaya. Spardhamanasu balikasu Shalini Tikshnamatihi. Shalini iti balika. Bahushu balikasu. Correct. Something like that. Okay. So Bahvishu balikasu Spardhamanasu balikasu. Amongst the competing girls, Shalini Tikshnamatihi is sharp-minded girl. Mati Strilinga. Matihi. Tikshnamatihi is Strilinga because Shalini is the Strilinga. Okay. Matihi in Stri we have to take here. It will have the same form in Pullinga, I think. Tikshnamati iti bhavati va matihi iti bhavati va tad drashtavyam. It's another point of how mati shabda declines as a qualifier in different lingas. Atape pratikshnamanebyah mitrebhyah panakam rochate. By the friends who were expecting pratikshnamanebyah pratikshate ikshate adhatu. Okay. So atape, in the heat of the sun, by the friends who were anticipating, expecting, panakam rochate. I think waiting. So because we have to just take pratikshamanebhya as waiting. Okay. By the friends who were awaiting in the hot sun, obviously panaka will be desired, liked by them. No problem. You can give them. Lambamanani phalani swikarotu. So lambamana means hanging. If you remember one context in lambamana. So lambamanani phalani swikarotu. So here tvam swikarotu. So tvam is the bhavan swikarotu. Okay, tvam svikuru iti bhavati. So bhavan svikuru iti bhavati. तो तत्र कर्ता तो भवान् इति प्रायः तत्र कर्मपद एव भवितुं शक्यते. फलानि इति स्वीकारस्य कर्मपदं. So बहुवचने फलानि लम्बमानानि फलानि स्वीकरोतु. So take the fruits that are hanging. Okay. In the sentences above, you will find singular and plural forms of chana janta, masculine and feminine in all the vibhaktis, and a few neuter gender forms also. We saw at least Lambamana, Nipalani. I can almost not remember where else there was Napumsakalinga. We will not worry much. Okay. Only for Pratama and Dvitiya, we have to carefully notice the Napumsakatva for sentence forms. You might have observed that Shanach forms are Akaranta and declined like Rama and Phala in masculine and neuter genders, and in feminine they are Akaranta and resemble Rama Shabdaha. Correct. We noticed it very early on. Thank you.
Mahodaya,
Sir, what
two
is the
questions.
meaning of, sorry, what is the meaning of Panakam?
Panakam means juice. This one. This one.
Okay, juice.
Yeah.
Juice.
Juice.
Okay, and so in this, no,
Actually,
the
it is
third
constructed
sentence.
as, it is simply constructed as something that is drinkable. So
Okay,
if I go
okay.
down to the basics, it means some drinkable thing. But obviously,
Okay,
we
some drink.
use it in a rudhi to mean juice. Yeah.
Yes, okay. And so the third sentence, Bashamanena Rajakiya Purushena Bahu Pralapitam, meaning what, sir?
I have one some political fellow. See, Rajakiya Purusha, you have to take it as a politician. What are politicians always
Okay.
doing? Talking, right?
Okay.
So that
Okay.
you see, if
So,
you take it as politician, this sentence is very nice, na?
okay. Pralapitam means he was just
Going on and on. Like
talking.
that.
Okay. Okay.
Pralap
Fine.
karna.
Thank you.
Pralap karna.
We are going on and on types.
Acha, acha. Okay.
With just bragging, you can.
Bragging.
Blabbering.
Blabbering,
Blabbering.
bragging,
Okay.
whatever. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Somebody else had a question?
Yeah. Mahodaya, the Saptami Vibhakti where we had come across in these sentences, can we call it a Sati Saptami?
No. See,
they are not
look. Actually,
dependent,
Sati
actually.
Saptami, it's easy to recognize Sati Saptami. Conditioned upon, if you can say conditioned upon in English for the bhava you get for the sentence, then you can call it as Sati Saptami. Okay, but here,
They are dependent.
Devam
Contingent.
Sevamane Bhakte Shanti, here there is no condition. We are just saying
right.
Shanti exists in the bhaktas who are doing seva of the devas. That's all. So Saptami
Right.
is because the Shanti is located in the bhakta. Simple.
Right. And
So
one
if
more
you say, for example, Devam Sevamane Bhakte Sati, Durjanaha Tatra Agatya Kimapi Kolahalam Kritavantaha. So the Durjana will come and do the Kolahala only because people are doing prayer, let us say. Right? Then
right.
Sati Saptami you can call it.
Sir, number 13, what is the meaning of Bhrantim, sir? Sarpaha iti
Bhranti means confusion. Bhranti means false perception. If you very accurately want to go to Nyaya Shastra and answer, it means false perception.
Oh, on seeing the rope twinkling, the snake also was confused.
It was confused for the snake. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Actually, why I'm bringing the word Nyaya? This in Nyaya Shastra, this Rajju Sarpa Nyaya is actually there is Rajju Sarpa is also a Laukika Nyaya, I think. I don't recall whether we studied that. So
It's a very Vedanta Nyaya.
yeah, it's a Vedantic thing, right? That we, for example, even Shankaracharya will say, don't confuse the temporary life Rajju for the Sarpa, like that. Some context like that for Bhranti and correct perception. For correct perception and incorrect perception, this is very much used. Bhranti and other one.
All sensory perceptions are incorrect perceptions only according to Shankara. Only the Atmic perception is the right perception. Give you eternal happiness. Rest all is transient happiness.
I mean, it's a different viewpoint. It's a different viewpoint. But for us who are living, life is real. So yeah. Yeah. All right. So one of the important things for us is just to practice this once, declensions once for one of the dhatus. Okay, and there are two variants. If you remember, some dhatus have the mana, some dhatus do not have the makara, just ana. So we have to just to mentally it takes some time to know which ones don't have, which ones have, and all that over time we will gather. But the set without the makara is fairly less in number than the ones with. Okay, so over time we will gather that. So just like Rama Shabda, Kampamanaha, Kampamanau, Kampamanaha, Manam, Mano, Manan, Manena, Manabhyam, Manaihi, Manaya, Manabhyam, Manebhyah, Manat, Manabhyam, Manebhyah, Manasya, Manayoho, Mananam, Mane, Manayoho, Maneshu. I am not reading the Mana word. Mana is another word, but here I am just reading the tail end of whatever is the dhatu. Okay. So similarly for Napumsaka, only the first two vibhaktis has namne nani namne nani. After that it is of course manam mane manani manam mane manani. Due to lack of space I didn't put the ma there. Okay, and then there can be forms without the makara also, but it declines more or less similarly. Anaha, ano, anaha, like that. Okay, anam, like that it goes on. And here in Strilinga it is like Lata, Sita, Rama, Kampamana, Kampamane, Kampamanaha, Somana, Mane, Manaha, Manam, Mane, Manaha, etc. So similarly, Ana, Ane, Anaha, like that. Okay. Something we must mentally remember our Rama Shabda, Rama Shabda, or Sita Shabda, and Phala Shabda. And that's how we decline the Shanach. Fairly easy, not too difficult. Of course, the struggle will be with when repeated forms come like this. Manabhyam, Manebhyaha, which appear in 3 vibhaktis and 2 vibhaktis respectively. So contextually we have to extract the vibhakti there in such places. Okay. So Dvivachana luckily doesn't hit us too often, at least at this Tara. Sanskrit Bharati is protecting us somewhat from not overdosing us with Dvivachana. Doesn't mean Dvivachana should be abandoned and Bahuvachana should be used. No, that is not what it is. This they're avoiding. Let us learn first what is easy, low-hanging fruit, and then go for the tough ones later. Okay, all right. Okay, time for some exercise. अधस्तन शब्दानाम् एकवचनान्तानि सूचित विभक्ति रूपाणि लिखत. For the below words ending in ekavachana in the indicated vibhakti सूचित विभक्ति रूपाणि लिखत. Right. So कंपमाना वृद्धा इति दत्तमस्ति. तत्र शानजन्त अपि च विशेष्य पदं तस्य द्वौ अपि स्तः. तत्र किम् इत्युक्ते शानजन्त we can decline easily. It will be struggle with the visheshya because it will have different endings, so we have to be careful. Which is the visheshya. First, of course, we have to also recognize the linga. First thing you have to do is identify the linga. So you can easily identify the linga from the Shanajanta, even more so than from the actual Visheshya. Though the Visheshya's linga is Visheshana's linga is due to Visheshya, but it's easy to ID here. Then you can decline to the correct vibhakti for the Shanajanta, but you also have to remember how to decline the active word there also, which is the Visheshya. So here Panchami is being indicated for Kampamana Vruddha. So Kampamanayaha Vruddhayaha. So this sounds similar in both Panchami Ekavachana and Shashti Ekavachana, but here it's Panchami form. Okay. If you remember this table, see here. Shayanayaha, Shayanayaha, Kampamanayaha, Kampamanayaha, like that. Okay. Strilinga. For Pullinga, there is variation. Kampamanat, Kampamanasya, like that. Okay. You have to look out for this overlap forms. All right. So let us do some crowdsourcing here. You have to first mention the linga and then give the form in Dvitiya or whatever the vibhakti that is told. Jrimbamanaha navikaha.
Pullinga.
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 Jambamanam. Manam navikam.
Jrimbamanam. Jambamanam, no? Jrimba.
Jrimbamanam.
Jrimbamanam. Neither jra, not jri. Jr. Somewhere in between. Okay. Jrimbamanaha.
What
Jrimbamanam.
does it mean, sir?
Ayo,
Jrimbamanam.
like this. That one.
Oh, yawning.
Yawning.
Okay, okay.
Or in some places, it actually also means one who is virajate. Yaha virajate sahapi. So Jrimba is used in that sense. Okay, he is so cool. He's so cool that he's yawning. That sense. Coolness of yawning is also taken. Anyway, Jrimbamanaha navikah, Jrimbamanam navikam. Very easy. Pullinga. Well done. So Arabhamana charcha. Saptami.
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Arambhamanayam charchayam.
Arabhamanayam charchayam. Very easy. Yeah? Sitayam. So here, that's why I just thrown it in. So Stri. So Kampamanayam, Arabhamanayam. So here Natva is there. Natva is already known from the Pratama example they have given. Everything is in Pratama here on the left side. Okay. All right. So Arabhamanayam charchayam. Vidyamanam pustakam. Panchami.
Vidyamane pustake.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Pustaka is Napumsaka. Okay, and Panchami Vibhakti is At. So why she said Pustamane Pustake Saptami? We don't know that. Okay, that's incorrect. Vidyamanat Pustakat, right? Panchami. Vidyamanat Pustakat. Okay. Bhagini, did you see the error you made? You went to Saptami.
Yes, sir. It's Panchami. Vidyamana.
Oh, okay. You carried over Saptami from earlier. Okay, sorry. Prakashamanaha Suryaha. Tritiya.
Prakashamanena.
Pullinga.
Prakashamanena. Don't make a nakara there. Okay. Prakashamanena Suryena. Surya has a repa, so your nakara is there. So Prakashamanena Suryena. Natva for this, no natva for this. Okay. This is not Shatkona Sha. This is not Murdhanya Sha. This is Shankara Sha. So doesn't force any natva. Okay.
Yes.
Deepyamanam Mukham. Chaturthi.
Deepyamanaya.
Mukhaya.
Mukhaya. Correct. Mukham Mukhaya. Okay. So Napumsaka Mukhaya. Deepyamanaya Mukhaya. Trayamanaha Devaha. Shashti. Pullinga. Correct. Trayamanasya Devasya. Very correct. Pullinga Trayamanasya Devasya. Grinhanaha Markataha. Tritiya. Pullinga. Grinhanena Markatena. Grinhana means grabbing. Okay. By the grabbing, by the monkey. It's how we do the grammar in Sanskritam. By the grammar, by the monkey. By the grabbing, by the monkey. So Grinhanena Markatena. Banana. Hopefully it is what is grabbing, not our words. Shayana Putri. Saptami, but which linga? Shayanayam. No makara is there. See, Shayana itself doesn't have ma. So you don't introduce ma for our Saptami form. Shayanayam Putriam. Okay? Putriam, Nadyam, like that. Okay? Trilinga. Then Janana Sa. Panchami. Sa will go to Dasyaha. Correct? Sa te taha, tam te taha, taya tabhyam tabhi. Like that. Tasyaha. Like that. Okay, Panchami Vibhakti. Tasyaha also comes for Shashti. So, Jananayaha tasyaha. So, Sahataute and Sate taha and Tatate tani are very important 3 declensions to remember in the brain. Okay, Sarvanama. From that we can tell Kahakauke, we can tell Yeshaha Yetau Yete, all easily. Lot of things become clear once we know Sahataute. But Tanvanaha Sauchikaha. Pullinga Tanvanam Sauchikam. Easy one. Okay, guys. So that was a good exercise. So what was the struggle? Identifying the linga, doing the correct declension. It was easy enough for the Shana Janta. Noticing the Natva carefully. Okay. And so on and so forth. So few duties are there, not just declension. Natva is also a constant worry for us. Okay. All right. Adastana Shabdanam Bahuvachananta Rupani Likhata. So write the Bahuvachana form. So they have given the pair in Ekavachana. You have to go in Bahuvachana and you have to keep the Vibhakti. Okay. It's telling me time for water break. We will break in 5 minutes. So Yudhyamanam Veeram, the fighting warrior. In karma position it is there. So Yudhyamanan Veeran. So we have to go from this column Kampamanam to Kampamanan. So same way Yudhyamanam to Yudhyamanan and Veeram to Veeran. Okay. So let us try for the others. But first we have to identify the Vibhakti. Okay. And Linga. Then we will know to do the mental lookup. Budhyamanat Vishayat. What is the Vibhakti? Panchami. And what is the Linga? Pullinga. Okay, Vishayaha. Even if it is Napumsaka, it is the same declension, but it is we should over time we should pick up a vocabulary of the Linga also. So Vishayaha, it is not Vishayam. In South we are very susceptible to make it Vishayam, but it is Vishayaha. So Budhyamanaha Vishayaha, Budhyamanat Vishayat, Bahuvachane Budhyamanebhyah Vishayebhyah. Declines similarly. So Panchami Pullinga. Rajamanam Simhanam.
Simhasanam Dvitiya.
Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. Simhasanam. So your Simhan. Simhasanam. Rajamanam Simhasanam. So
Rajamananam.
You guys are
Rajamanan.
Rajamanan Simhasanan. Okay. Okay. Now here we struggle a little bit. Now, is this Simhasana Napumsaka or Pullinga? Is the struggle we will have. Is it Simhasanaha or Simhasanam? If you remember Asana Shabda, you will get all of us made the mistake of assuming it is Pullinga Dvitiya Vibhakti. It can be Napumsakalinga Prathama also. Right? Asanam. Asanam is actually Napumsakalinga. So Rajamanam Simhasanam can be taken as Rajamanani Namanani Simhasanani also. Okay. So that is what is the correct answer. It can be Dvitiya Bahuvachana also. Okay. So all of us fell into the trap of Simhasanaha. No, it is Simhasanam is the correct form and it is Napumsakalinga Shabda. Okay. So we have to look out for that. Cheshtamanena Balena. Pullinga. Don't introduce Kakara, just say Balaihi. Balena Balaihi. So Cheshtamanaihi Balaihi Tritiya Bahuvachana Pullinga. Twaramanaya Kshamyatam. Twaramanaya Adhikarinya.
Trilinga.
Trilinga. Tritiya Vibhakti. Kampamanaya, Twaramanaya. Adhikarini. Nadibihi. Okay. So Twaramanabihi Adhikarinibihi. So like this, guys, you can try the remaining. I will keep opening up. I will keep my mouth shut. Prayatamanaya Shikshakaya.
Chaturthi. Pullinga.
Correct. Prayatamanebhyah Shikshakebhyah. Well done. Bunjanayaha Naikayaha. Here already given Strilinga. Very good. Nanam. Right? Nayaha nanam. Okay. Bunjananam. Bunjananam. Shashti. Don't go for Panchami like I pointed. Shashti. Bunjananam. So Bunjananam. Naikanam. Bunjananam. Tricky.
Naika Yam or Naika Nam?
Naikanam. Sitayaha Sitanam. Go with Sita, na? Sitayaha Sitanam. I can. Somebody did Shwasa. Correct. Bahadamanayam Chintayam.
Bahadamanasu
Saptami Bahuvachana Trilinga. So Bahadamanasu Chintasu. Very. Spandamanayai Balikayai. Manabhyah. Correct. Bandhamanabhyah balikabhyah. So we go from yai to abhyah. So Spandamanabhyah balikabhyah. For the by the girls who were you can say Spardha, no? Spanda. So Spardha would have been competing. Who were resonating with the feeling, not competing. By the girls who were resonating with the Karuna Bhava or whatever. Okay? Yeah. It's a little tricky type of usage. Adhiyanasya pituhu. What vibhakti? Shashti. Pituhu is Shashti. Vikaranta Shashti. Adhiyana nana. Pullinga Shashti Bahuvachana. Adhiyananam. So Pituhu, how does it decline? Pituhu, Pitrinam, Dirgharikara Pitrinam. Okay. Adhiyananam, Pitrinam, Rakarantam. Pitu,
Triranayam.
Vitrinanayam, Nirvahikayam.
Nanasu.
Saptami.
Saptami. We have to go to Bahuvachana. So Vikriyanasu. Nanasu. Natva is for this rana. So Vikrinanasu. Nirvahikasu. So here it is slightly better usage. Instead of Vidyarthi, they are Shiksharthi or something. They have used Nirvahika, which is better. So amongst the selling organizers, something like that, lady organizers, something like that sense. Okay? All right. So that's a good exercise. So we will you guys have to try this out. Maybe in the break you can try it out. We can quickly open up, and we will come back and catch up with few examples each, and then continue to the next lesson. Take a water break now. Do take it.
Madam, we can try the next exercise, number 3. Number 1, dash pati pati ahutava.
Sir, if you're speaking, then you're on mute, sir.
क्षम्यतां क्षम्यतां धन्यवादः भगिनी धन्यवादः क्षम्यतां तो वेलकम बैक फ्रॉम द ब्रेक आवरणे दत्तानां शब्दानाम् उचितैः रूपैः रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत तो in the bracket given of the words with the proper forms empty places please fill Butler translation please is our own extension okay udaharanam देवः वन्दमानं भक्तम् अनुगृह्णाति वन्दमानः इत्यस्य विभक्ति परिवर्तनं कृत्वा भक्तम् इति द्वितीयायाम् एकवचने च तथैव वन्दमानः इत्यस्य द्वितीया एकवचने वन्दमानम् इति यथा अस्माभिः दृष्टमासीत् कम्पमानं कम्पमानः कम्पमानं वन्दमानः वन्दमानम् एवम् अस्तु सारी सो भुञ्जाना इति अस्ति डैश पत्नीं पतिः आहूतवान् पत्नीम् इति द्वितीयायां किल भुञ्जाना इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे अस्ति कथं भवति भुञ्जानां पत्नीं, भुञ्जानां पत्नीं, भुञ्जानां, कंपमानां, भुञ्जानां. ओके, सो भुञ्जानां पत्नीं पतिः आहूतवान्. एवं वेदं डैश वटुभिः गुरुः नमस्कृतः. अधीयानाः बहुवचने दत्तमस्ति, वटुभिः इत्यपि बहुवचने. हाँ, विभक्तिः किं? विभक्तिः का? हाँ, by the vatus, कर्मणि प्रयोग. Well done भगिनी. So वटुभिः गुरुः नमस्कृतः. By the young students, the guru was saluted. So what kind of young student? Vedam adiyanabihi. Okay, वटुभिः गुरुः नमस्कृतः. अधियानैः, क्षम्यताम्. So pullinga, no? Vatu shabda declines according to guru shabda. Okay, guruhu guru, guravah gurum, guru, gurun, guruna, gurubhyam, gurubihi. Okay, but ramena, ramabhyam, ramaihi. So don't get influenced by vatu shabda. We fall into that pit so easily, you see. So please remember how adhyana will go to tritiya bahuvachana. So only take the lingatva and vachanatva from the vatu shabda, but take the same lingatva as vatu, but its own declension adhyanaihi. Okay, danger, danger, danger. Careful, especially because these shabdas decline in their own way. Guru, guru shabdavat. So guru is another important shabda to practice. Dash आपणिकेन वस्तुनः मूल्यम् उक्तं विक्रीणानः. आपणिकः आपणिकेन. What vibhakti? तृतीया विभक्ति, एकवचन, पुल्लिंग. Very easy, no? आपणिकः आपणिकेन. विक्रीणानेन. Mahodaya is correct in the second correction. विक्रीणानेन आपणिकेन. Oh, विक्रीणानेन आपणिकेन. Correct. Okay. So like this, we have to keep trying for the other vibhaktis. Okay. So spardhamanaha in saptami bahuvachana will become spardhamaneshu. Spardhamanani will decline as in napumsaka, except for the first vibhaktis. It is copying pullinga. Kutrunanam. Kutruna means bad grass. Okay. So kutrunanam utpatanam karaya. So of the bad grass removal, you get it done. Karaya is get it done. So kutrunanam utpatanam. So vardhamananam kutrunanam utpatanam karaya. Okay. So shashti bahuvachana. Okay. Napumsakalinga. Okay. So see nani, but it has the same form as pullinga. In shashti, beyond dvitiya vibhakti, it is same as pullinga, but you have to indicate it is napumsaka because it goes with trinam, which is napumsaka. Why vardhamanani is indicated. Already they gave the linga away. Technically, they could have made our life little difficult by giving the pratipadika form. Vandamana, punjana, adhiyana, vikrini, vikrina, vikrinana. Like that only if they give, it will, you will have to, but the problem they can't give like that is, in Strilinga it is akaranta, in Pullinga it is akaranta. So it's not a common pratipadika really. The pratipadika itself is having a different anta for the two lingas. So they are just stuck to giving the pratama ekavachana form rather than trouble us too much. So you guys try the balance. Okay, I will just open up. It will be nice practice to, because the book is having the answers. So nice to try, check the last page to see where we are going wrong. A few times at least it will tell you, okay, I made this mistake, I made that mistake, I have to look out for this, I have to look out for that. That's fine. So here there is another type of exercise. So sa karyam arabhate, okay, devam prarthayati. So she begins some work, she prays to God. So here we have to connect the two by making this a continuous activity with respect to the second activity. That is the thing. Visheshyanugunam shanajanta rupam prayujya vakyani likata. So Visheshyanugunam means tracking the Visheshya. Okay. please convert the below pair of sentence into a Shanajanta sentence like that. So, Karyam Arabhamana Sa Devam Prarthayati. See here what is happening here. Sa kimapi karoti. Sa kimapi anyat karoti. Okay? Kurvati asti, karoti, kurishyati, whatever. Okay. So, Sa is a common factor. So, you have to keep that and continue. Okay. Right. So, and then qualify her earlier activity with the Shanach, like Karyam Arabhamana Sa. So, by her who was beginning the work, the god was prayed. Okay, or she prays to God, not was prayed. She prays to God. So she is praying, hoping that her work will become successful. So this is like we do the prayers at the start of any big activity. That one. Putraha Vedanam Sahate Tam Mata Pritya Pashyati. So Putraha is a common. No. Putraha is not common for the Pashyati act. So you have to be a little careful. Okay, Tam is the active part here. Tam, that fellow. So how do you?
Vedanam Sahatam Putraha Mata Pritya Pashyati.
See, Sahate. So Sahamanam. Kila. Ditya ekavachane Sahamanam Putram. Tam Sahamanam Putram. Iti bhavati kila. So Tam Sahamanam. Kim Sahamanam? Vedanam Sahamanam. Vedana is only the karma for the Sahana Kriya. So Sahamanam Putram. Okay. Vedanam Sahamanam Tam Putram Mata Pritya Pashyati. Tatha bhavati. Kila? Vedanam Sahamanam Tam Putram. Tam can be pulled also. Additionally, no need to throw it out, but the thumb is the one that is replaced with this. So we have to go with that form. Okay. So here that was Sa. Okay. Sa Devam Prarthayati. Sa is replaced with Karyabam Arabhamana Sa. Okay. So thumb is replaced with Vedamanam Sahamanam Putram or Putram Tam. Mata Pritya Pashyati. Got the, that's why I have put a little arrow there. So when we get an exercise like this, we have to first you do it in mother tongue. Okay, then it will become clear what's happening, because we are individually able to take it to our mother tongues and play with how a Shanach form in our own tongue. Not that we have something like Shanach, but we have something mimicking Shanach in our mother tongues. So use that and then come back using Shanach to Samskrita. Okay. Kantaharaha shobhante. So the necklaces, they shine. Tebhyaha sa bahu dhanam dattavati. For those kantaharas, she gave a lot of money. Okay. Tebhyaha has to be replaced with Shanaj form. How?
Kantaharaha
Kantaharebhyah Shobhamanebhyah.
Kantaharebhyah Shobhamanebhyah. Okay. For them. For them. So this is in Chaturthi. Okay, Ramaya. So Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah. So similar to that, Kantaharebhyah. Shobhamanebhyah Kantaharebhyah Pullinga. She is Sa, but the Kantahara is Pullinga. So the Shanach goes with Kantahara. Okay, so Shobhamanebhyah Kantaharebhyah. For them, Sa Bahudanam Dattavati. So Tebhyaha is the one that directs the Shanach form. Tam directs the Shanach form. Sa directs the Shanach form for their example. Similarly, Tasmat directs it now. Devaha Trayate. Tasmat Bhaktaha Varam Praptavan. Trayate means protects. God protects. From him, the Bhakta obtained a boon. Like that. Okay. Tasmat has to be replaced.
Trayamanat Devat.
Trayamanat Devat. Very easy now. And Nakara is, so Repamsha is there, right? So Repamsha is there. So Yakara doesn't block the Natva, Makara doesn't block, so Nakara will happen instead of Nakara. So Trayamanat. But if you don't do that, don't worry too much. You will not be cut for not doing Natva and things like that. Okay. Over time you acquire the talent to notice the Natvas. But Trayamanat is okay to answer like that. But Trayamanat is the correct answer. Devat bhaktah varam praptavan. Like this, guys. So tebhyah vriksha. So we will ignore this. We'll just focus on tebhyah vrikshah kampate. Tebhyah. How will it transform vrikshah kampante?
Kampamanebhyah vrikshebhyah.
Perfect. Kampamanebhyah vrikshebhyah. Tasam. So mahilaah vidyante. Tasam.
Mahilayam.
Vidyamanaayam mahilayam.
No. Vidyamananam
Mananam. Shashti. See, tasam. That's why I put this table here, Bhagini. See here.
Yeah.
Sa te taha, tam te taha, taya tabhyam tabihi, tasmai. What is that? Tasyai. Yakara, that one.
Tasyai.
Tasyai. Tasyai tabhyam tabhyah, tasyah tabhyam tabhyah, tasyah tayoh tasam, tasyam tayoh tasu. Because the font is small, it is looking like vakara, it is yakara. Okay, so tasyah tayoh tasam. So tasam is shashti bahuvachana. So tasam namani lavanya smrati. All their name, their is possessive mode, no? Their girls. So strilinga, their name. So there is mahilabhyam. So 1 second.
Mahilayah.
See, mahilayah, mahilanam. Mahilanam.
Vidyamananam mahilanam.
Vidyamananam mahilanam namani. The present ladies, the ladies that are present, their names Lavanya remembers. Okay. Vidyamananam mahilana. So like this, you try the other ones. Okay. So it's tricky here and there. We have to look. Vyagri, look here. Here, Vyagriyah. Please notice the linga. Vyagriyah pratikshante. So Vyagri shabda, strilinga. That is why tabhyah is three. Okay. So we have to go with Vyagri in the correct declension. So this Biti is from Panchami, right? So this is Panchami. So pratikshamanabhyah vyagribhyah. So I will open up the balance just for lack of time. We will just keep moving forward. Okay. I too believe me. I mean, I tried to be honest when I prepared this slide. At first, I don't look at the end. I try to answer with my best presence of mind, and then I have mistakes. I have my share of mistakes in all of them. I have to rethink, go back, correct, and come back and update this. Okay, don't believe that we will ever learn to be complete and perfect. It takes a whole lifetime. It's a very challenging language with its declension forms, etc. But over time, we hope to become better and better. That's it. Okay. So just because I have it all nicely out here doesn't mean I got it all right first time. Okay. And some mistakes may even persist, as you have always noticed. Okay. We are all human. That's okay. So let's go to Patasangraha. Keep moving. Keep moving. Okay. So here Padasangraha today is Man. Oh, what is Masj? Masj. Look at its dhatu form is quite challenging. Masj. Then Manth almost sounds like Persian dhatu. Manth Ma Much. Okay. Man, we know that. Masj, we know more its forms than Masj. Then Manth Manthana, we know that. Samudra Manthana from that. Ma to measure, Mapana. Then Much to give, to live. Munchati is quite used. Okay. Mukti is the most important word we know from Much. Mukti. That is the word from Much. Okay. So man to think. Manyate. Okay. See, this is already having yakara in its lat form itself. Okay. So it is one of those ganas that directs a vikarana pratyaya, which is a ya. Okay. So we have to be mindful of that. Manyate, because it already has the yakara. Even in the karmani prayoga, it continues to have that same yakara, it has the same form. There is no new change. So manyate, manyate. So Ramaha manyate, Ramena manyate, both. Okay, like that it will. Okay, mansyate, in the future. Mantavyam should be thought, should be conceived, should be thought, like that. Mananiyam should be minded. So mantavyam, mananiyam. Okay. Ramaha sajjanaha iti asmabhihi mantavyam, like that. Okay. Mataha, so was thought, somebody who thought like something. Okay. Ravanaha Sitam apahritavan iti Hanuman mataha, like that. Okay. He thought like that. Mata, so and matam, and then matavan. Okay.
Mahoday, it is Hanumata Mataha, right? By Hanuma, it was thought like that. Mataha Mata Matam we use in Bhuta Karmani Prayoga.
Nothing wrong in saying Hanuman Mataha also, right? See, Kta Prayoga, okay, can be applied as a qualifier to the fact that Hanuman was the one who thought like that, right? You remember that Kta Kridanta can be used in the sense of a qualifier to the person.
Mata Hanuman, correct.
Mataha, Pullinga.
Mataha, yeah. Okay. Etana Ritya Mataha Hanuman. Yeah.
Me matihi, me matihi is different application. Mati. So, aham mataha, like that I can say as a pullinga person. I can say aham mataha, like that. Okay. Mataha doesn't have the purushatva declension that a kriyapada has. Okay, it only minds the linga and the vibhakti. Okay. Matavan matavati, bhuta kartari krudanta. Then manyamanaha manyamana, what we are currently studying, because it's atmanepadi shanach, manyamanaha manyamana manyamanam in the three lingas. Okay, so Sita ashokavane evas asti iti manyamanaha hanuman tatra gatavan, like that we can use the word. I'm trying to bring Hanuman everywhere because it's a new word with its own difficulties. Matva pramatya, having thought. Okay, having thought in a specific way, pramatya, like that. Okay. Mantum, in order to think, in order to ideate, something like that. Masj, to take a dip, to drown. Oh my God, to drown. It's masj. Okay, majjati. Okay, not in the sense of to drown, in the sense of to die or something, to go under the water, that sense. Okay, majjati. So aham badari kshetram gatva nadyam majjami, something like that.
Mattu na shakyate badri kshetra Mahoday alakaranda.
No, sakshat alakanandena. Tatra ushna jalasya kshetram asti kila.
Tatra shakyate.
Tatrapi majjum na shaknumaha. Kimartam tat bahu majjum va katam majjum tumun mangtum. See the complexity. That cannot be majjum. That's what. See, mangtum. Tatrapi mangtum na shaknomi. Tatra bahu ushnyam asti. Parantu tatra kinchit mishranam krutva bucket snanam eva karaniyam.
Bhavaha janaha Alakananda nadyayam prokshanam karoti tadanantaram ushna nadyam majjanam karoti.
Kurvanti. Am. Tatha. Samyak. Bhavan tatra gatavan va?
Ekavaram gatavan tatra. Badri kshetram gatva.
Adbhutam. Month to churn. Okay. So matnati, mathyate, manthishyati. So you guys practice that to churn. Ma, to measure. Mapanam, that one. Mati, somebody measures. Miyate, something is measured by somebody. Masyati, somebody will measure in the future. Should be measured. Okay. Was measured. Okay. He measured, she measured. Okay. So variations, you guys know how to take the meanings. Okay. So what is more interesting I found is after reading once to try some prototype sentences like I have done. Actually, I should have started this practice from lesson 1 really. So it will be good for us to in our own hand, in our own diary, to write down some examples, good or bad, don't worry, try it. Okay. So Hanuman Ramam Swami iti manyate. Okay. Manyate is in Kartari here. Okay. So nothing wrong here. Don't think I have made a wrong. And Swami is a quote. Swami iti. The Karta is Hanuman. Hanuman manyate. Kam manyate Ramam Swami iti. So Ramam is a karma for the for this portion. Ramam Swami iti manyate. Okay. Tena Ramah Swami iti manyate. By him Rama is known as Swami. So Karmani Prayoga. So whether Hanuman is in Pratama Vibhakti or in Tritiya Vibhakti using Tena here. Hanumatena. Okay. So Hanumatena Ramah Swami iti manyate. Same form. Thanks to the manyate being identical. But here it is Kartari, here it is Karmani. Asmabihi api saha swami iti mantavyah yata Hanuman matavan. So we can throw in these variations like this. You guys try your own color. So bhaktah gangayam majjati. That one. Gangayam mangtum janaha icchanti. Like this. Mangshyami, mangshyati. You don't have to go with only pratama purusha. Try some uttama purusha also. Aham, tvam, all those things. It will become good habit. There may be errors there, don't worry. Okay. So this is a good exercise for you guys to do. My sentences are no use to read because you have to try yourselves. Okay, so I think we have come to 12:30. Let us do this Prahelika and solve. This one is easy, guys. For once I found this one is easy. Okay, nice after a long time. Prahelika. अपूर्वोऽयं मया दृष्टः कान्तः कमललोचने शोऽन्तरं यो विजानाति स विद्वान्नात्र संशयः. अपूर्वोऽयं मया दृष्टः कान्तः कमललोचने शोऽन्तरं यो विजानाति स विद्वान्नात्र संशयः. One important thing what I wish Sanskrit Bharati had also put some time to focus on is these prahelikas are not solely puzzle. They will have some meaningful existence outside of its puzzle content. Okay, they will definitely construct to something useful in the real world also. Okay, it will not be meaningless. It will not be only technical puzzle line. It will have some real world, even if mundane meaning. Okay, so I looked for it here. So first part is very easy. There is no confusion. Apurvaha ayam maya drishtaha kantaha. Ayam kantaha yaha maya drishtaha saha apurvaha. So I saw this something lovely which is not having any precedence. Apurvaha, something that has not been seen before. Okay, so by me something that has not existed before and which is lovely, Kantaha, which is shining, was seen. Kamala, hey Kamala Lochane. This is address. Okay, hey Kamala Lochane. So this is a typical Kavi's address for a lady, no? So Kamala, hey, you with the beautiful eyes resembling a lotus petal, hopefully. So that one. Okay. So then he continues. Shontaram yo vijanati sa vidvannatra samshayaha. So what can be the meaning of Shontaram? Yaha vijanati saha vidvannatra samshayaha. One who knows yaha vijanati. Okay, that fellow vidvan na atra samshayaha. There is no doubt. Right. But that for puzzle, correct, one leg. But there should be some laukika, even if mundane meaning, just like the first one, right? So what could be the meaning of Shontaram? My mind dug up and I came with some semi meaning. I don't know how confident I am of this. Sho tanu karane, to sharpen iti. Dhatoho artham sho tanu karane iti, to sharpen. So Shontaram can be taken as one who, I don't know all the grammar of this, as the one who knows how to sharpen his insights. That fellow is Vidwan. There is no samshaya. So one who knows how to sharpen his mental faculties, he is a Vidwan. There is no doubt in that. That is the Laukika meaning I take from this. Now we can relax from the Laukika meaning. It's nice. Okay. And see what could be the cryptic meaning of what he is saying. So here I already unfortunately let the cat out of the bag by highlighting the critical letters. Apurvaha, ka antaha, sho antaraha. I mean, I have taken the vibhakti vipara, sho antaraha. So there is a pada that is the answer, which is apurva, which is ka anta, and which is shontara. So it has a in the purvasthana, ka in the antasthana, and sho in the inside, antara. Okay, so Ashoka. Very easy answer. I don't need to even ask you guys. So Ashoka, already led the cat by putting the tree and all that. And this is our fellow who has seen, and this is the Kamala Lochana. Definitely she has eyes of a whole lotus in this picture. So she deserves to be Kamala Lochane. Okay. All right. So that is it. So nothing much to reveal now.
It is a riddle for Ashoka only, not Ashoka tree. I was wondering what is there in Ashoka tree for it to be such a beautiful.
Shining. See, Ashoka tree is shining. He has not seen it before. He is from a region that has not seen this conifer somewhere. So, okay, it could be Sakshat Ashoka himself. You're right. So the meaning, the thing which I have seen is Apurva, beginning with a, Kanta, which is ending with ka, ka anta. Technical, Apurva, a hyphen purva, ka hyphen anta, and then sho hyphen antara. Antaraha, like that we have to take, or antara, like that. Okay, so that one is the Ashoka. But for me, I was trying to find what meaning I can take. See, Apurvahayam Maya Drishtaha Kantaha has a Laukika meaning, which is very nice. I saw something shining which was not seen before. Hey, you lovely eyed girl. So, but that's fine. And then what can be taken for Shontaram? This rest is having a Laukika meaning, one who knows, he is a Vidwan, no samshaya. So how to take the Shonantara for a Vidwan other than as a one with the Shakara inside? Okay, is this way, Tanu Karane, to sharpen the interior, like that I took it. But here Ashoka is also a Vidwan in another sense. There is another nice meaning to take. One who stays with his mind not carrying shoka, one who stays with a shoka rahita mana. Okay, one who has a shanta mana. He will be able to become a Vidwan. One who has a duguda in his mind always. One who is having some shoka won't be able to. So that is another way we can take. Okay. So Ashoka manaskaha eva Vidwan bhavitum shakyate. Iti api svikartum shaknumah. Astu. तो अत्र प्रहेलिकायाः समाप्तिः. तो अग्रे मध्याह्ने 3 वादने भोजनानन्तरस्य विरामानन्तरं पुनः अभ्यासे वयम् आगमिष्यामः. पठनम् अनुवर्तयामः. सुभाषितमस्ति. सुभाषितपठनात् अनुवर्तनं क्रियते. धन्यवादाः.
Your explanation of the Prahelika was superb, especially the Laukika meaning and also the more hidden meaning of Ashoka. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. In fact, I see what happens is we always whenever there is a Subhashita or a verse or even a Prahelika, the Kavi is not trying to be too much technical only with respect to the solution. He tries to be intelligent to build something worldly or outwardly with such things. So we have to look for that. So the Kavi's Atma will be happy if we seek that, even if we don't find it. That's how I think. Okay. So thank you very much. We'll end this session. I'll stop the recording.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada.